been busy, you know, but you know, I love real estate. I'm actually just getting to a showing right now. Hey!
Hey.
You must be John. I'm Danielle. It's so nice to finally meet you. Come on in. I'm so glad you're here. It was, I don't know, it was getting a little weird here. Come on in.
Okay,
Let's
sure.
show you around. I feel like I saw you before. Maybe on passing or no?
No, just got here.
It's been a long day. Thank God you're my last showing.
Last show?
Well, let's show you the house. Come on in.
Okay.
Anyways, so you've been looking in the area for a little bit.
Yeah, about 3-4 months.
Okay. And what's been going on?
Just looking for the right place.
Okay. Well, I think we might found it.
Okay.
Come on, let me show you around. Open floor plan here. A lot of windows.
Yeah,
open.
a lot of windows.
Yeah, you can
See right in.
see right in. Yeah. So anyways, let's take a look over here. Basement.
Okay. Are you gonna go ahead?
You can look if you'd like.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay. All right, so let's head upstairs now.
On top, perfect.
All right, so here you have the rest of the bedrooms.
I want to see what the closet space looks like. You think we could fit someone in there?
Audio agenda.
Hold up! Guys, what's up? This might have seemed a little confusing or a little bit strange what just happened in that video. If you're a real estate professional, you probably have somewhat of an idea. My name's Danielle Adornato. I'm a loan officer at United Mortgage. I was acting as a realtor for the sake of this video, and for my concern for my real estate professionals and all my friends in the industry. So we're showing some uncomfortable situations and possibly some scenarios that you may end up in as a real estate professional, showing homes, being with clients. So I've teamed up with John Giordano, who's an MMA fighter and also a realtor himself. We did this to help our realtor friends in feeling more safe and preventing themselves from being in unfortunate situations where they're uncomfortable like such. Stay tuned for some more clips on how to stay more aware and self-defense and self-awareness for real estate professionals.